Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and as always, I hope you're all having an amazing day. Now, very quickly, I just want to say there's a load of new guys on this channel. Welcome, I hope you find it helpful. Now, the point of this channel is to help all of you guys going through architecture school, or anyone that's kind of interested in the software side, or just generally interested in what we do in architecture. The point is to provide you guys with insight into the course, what we do, to also give you guys software tutorials and give you guys advice on project submissions and even walkthroughs of stuff I submit. So I've got a lot of great stuff planned for this channel. Now, as you will have seen by the title, very recently I've just started my Masters in Architecture. So if some of you guys have been on the channel a little bit longer will remember, after doing bachelor's I was very burnt out and I actually didn't want to continue with architecture. But having spent over half a year working in industry, I've actually really enjoyed it and it's kind of reignited a passion for me, and that's why I decided to do my Masters. So I'll be taking you guys along for the ride, and I've got a load more content I'm hoping to cover. Some of these include 3ds Max, Corona Renderer, a little bit of Revit, and I'm going to be showing you guys my general workflow and how I end up doing these submissions and what I believe to be the best way to do all of this. Keep in mind, everything on this channel is my opinion and my advice, so please take it with a pinch of salt. One of the next videos you guys will be seeing is me doing a walkthrough of my portfolio and the actual process of me making it. I've never actually done a portfolio, so I've very recently been redoing all of my previous work to put in a portfolio ready for starting architecture. To all you new guys, again, thank you, welcome to the channel. If you guys aren't subscribed or have the notification bell turned on, please make sure to, just so it means that you can catch all the new videos. You've got more of a chance of seeing these videos. Also, what it does is it means that YouTube kind of sees the channel as useful and it helps promote it to other people, so hopefully we can help more students. Now, if some of you don't know, I never actually produced my own portfolio. It's the reason I've never done a walkthrough on this channel. So this is something I've recently been developing, and I've been redoing all of my first, second and third year work, bringing it up to scratch with my current skills, and I'm going to be walking you guys through my process of creating my portfolio, how I've gone about doing it, and I'll be creating a full walkthrough for you guys, so that's something that should be coming up relatively shortly. So guys, just a really quick one. Hopefully you guys are as excited for the next couple of years as I am, and I'm going to be showing you my entire journey, and I can't wait for more of you guys to join the community. And make sure to stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in another video.